Okay, so what exactly is Python and why do data scientists love it? So let's get into this now. So Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, and its design philosophy emphasizes code readability, and it has notable use of significant white space in its code. All right, so you'll get used to it soon when you start the tutorial. Basically, Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose language. And interpreted means instructions are executed directly without being compiled into machine instructions. Those are like C++ and Java. Compiled languages, are like C++ and Java, are basically faster and they allow developers to have much more control over memory management and hardware resources. However, they are a lot more verbose, meaning there's a lot more code to get simple things done. And it's a lot trickier sometimes to get things up and running. And Python basically is so simple, and I actually find it's quite quick. You can do a lot of benchmarking in Python and realize that it's not quite as fast as C++, but in most cases it's good enough. And this is the plus about Python, is that it's high level, so it allows us to perform complex tasks quite easily and efficiency. So why Python for data science? Now, Python competes with a lot of languages in the data science world, most notably R, and to a much lesser degree MATLAB, Java, and C++, which they all have very good data science libraries to be fair. However, Python has much better and way more stuff. R is actually very good at statistics though, so R has a lot of plus positives here. But you can see here, this is the yellow and blue, I should say, are Python data science and Python machine learning. And you can see interest in them has skyrocketed way more than R. R is kind of plateaued and actually going down a bit here. But Python is just going up and up. So why does Python lead the pack? Now, Python is a very good general purpose language, unlike R. It supports a number of solid scientific computing libraries and has a very good ecosystem. It has a ton of machine learning and statistical numerical packages such as these guys here, which you'll all use in this course except for Python. Python is very easy to use with IPython notebooks, and it's very handy for data scientists to share work or display work because you can see the progression. It's like a little story of the data science project, and it's quite easy to get started which you'll see in our little crash course coming up. And as it's a general purpose language, it allows us much more flexibility in integrations and building stuff like web service APIs and a plethora of other useful programming libraries. So Python is very, very versatile, and it basically fits into any developer's workflow quite well. You can do so much with it, and it is quite fast. It's a very good language, and I highly encourage you guys to learn it. So now we move on to our crash course in Python.